Collectability and restoration. Oval window Beetles, built between 1953 and 1957, are highly coveted by collectors from all over the globe. Most knowledgeable enthusiasts consider oval windows, especially those equipped with the huge sliding canvas sunroof, commonly called Ragtop, to be the most desirable Beetles ever built. 57 Beetles were a significant evolution of the original design. It featured a larger engine, improved suspension, and a more comfortable interior. This made it even more popular with drivers and cemented its place as an automotive icon. Cultural icon. The 1957 Volkswagen Beetle is more than just a car, it's a cultural icon. The rounded body, distinctive headlights, and rear-mounted engine are all design elements that have made the VW Beetle an instantly recognizable car, even after more than 8 decades. Affectionately referred to as a bug, the VW Beetle has also become a fixture in popular culture. With its affordability, practicality, and quirky style, the VW Beetle was the perfect car for a generation seeking to break free from convention and embrace a new way of life. Styling. The exterior styling of the 1957 Volkswagen Beetle is one of the most recognizable designs in automotive history. The front of the VW Beetle was dominated by the large, round headlights and the distinctive VW logo. The rounded hood and fenders, along with the sloping windshield, gave the car a smooth and aerodynamic appearance. The side view of the Beetle was equally impressive, with its gentle curves and rounded doors. The rear of the 1957 VW Beetle was perhaps its most distinctive feature, with its slanted deck and small, oval taillights.